Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. Today is December 25th, Christmas Day. I don't know where you are in your part of the world, but we just went through a blizzard. It was insane. I've never seen anything quite like it. Now, here's one of the biggest issues we got. Snowblower belt broke. Toast. Now, not that I want to throw anyone under the bus, but it wasn't me that broke the auger belt. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's such a monumental task just to try to punch a hole out to the road. What are you gonna do? You just gotta poke away at it. Check it out. This is insanity. Insanity. That's the back of my house. That's ridiculous. Oh, here comes the wind again. So here's the tools I got to work with right now. Shovel. Shovel. Look at this. This wasn't from the snowplow. This is from the one of the local farmers. Big tractor. They always come through and help punch the road open. But like, look at this. That's got to be 3.5 feet for sure. Where do you start? Just got to punch a hole and hope for the best. Holy frig. Well, here's the first scoop. Yeah, like that's gonna work. Well, wish me luck. Look at that. Looks like we're out in the mountains. We got cornices. Oh yeah.
Ready? I'll do a snow jump.
Oh, okay.
That is great.
Now you gotta get out.
Yeah,
Oh, here comes the wind again. Beauty Christmas Day, isn't it? Oh. Well, thankfully the neighbors came by and helped us get the front of the driveway done. It's a good start, but at least we can, a long way to go, but at least we can get out and people can get in. And again, when you live in farming country, it's wide open, so you get all the snow drifts. But when you got farmers that got great big tractors, at least they can plow the road for us. Holy cow. Let's get some breakfast. So I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you for everyone that supports the channel, whether you're just a casual viewer or you watch all the time, you're a subscriber. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. It really, really means a lot. I really enjoy trying to make entertaining videos that people enjoy to watch, and it's like coming along for the ride with us. I really appreciate it. And when it comes to supporting the channel, I just want to let everyone know that I do have a website out now, and I'm going to be adding some different types of merchandise on it. And that's a great way for you to help support the channel. Right now, I've got my limited edition Adventures This Way microfiber wipers. Those are available on the website, adventuresthisway.com. I've had some requests for maybe some t-shirts, probably start with that. If there's any types of merch that you would be interested in, let me know, leave me some comments. Also, I'm going to be doing another question and answer video. So when you get a chance, send me some questions and I'll answer them for you.